Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to download and install the T-Life T-Mobile app on your iPhone. First, make sure you are connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then open the App Store and on your iPhone and tap on your profile, and next tap on the search bar and write T-Life. Now tap on search, scroll a little bit. Sorry, I have made a mistake. You should search T-Mobile. Yeah, here you can see some T and scroll a bit. Yeah, T-Mobile prepaid SIM. Now click on it. Now you can see here get. Now click on get. Now it will ask you install. Do you want to install? Now click on install. Now it will ask for your password. So let's give a password here. I've given my password. So let's sign in. It's done and it's downloading here. You can see here. Now you can see it's downloaded. This way you can download the T-Life or T-Life mobile prepaid SIM. That's it. Hope this video helped. If it did, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. See you next time.